So, want to service the fuel injectors. This is the colors. This is the part number. Okay, it's also Bosch 0280. Hold on, 0280156139. That's the Bosch part number. I repeat, 0280156139. Alright, so that's the fuel injector for the EW10J4S. So this is what we are using. Abuja carburetor cleaner. I prefer the Abu to this other brand in the market. Limited. Okay. You need to backwash it as well. Okay. Okay, so this is how you service the EW engine. No, not do that. No need to affect the rubbers there. So this is how you service all EW engine fuel injectors. Like I said, you have to power it and back flush it first. Then you now do the forward flush. Alright, so afterwards you mount it back. Okay, so I'll keep you updated.